stay with me, yeah.
Alright guys, my name is Flower and welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing like a really quick get ready with me type of situation. So let's just go ahead and get started. I know I look a little crazy right now. Only thing that I have on, well that I have done, is my brows, which I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony Duo Powder and a little bit of brow gel, and I just filled it in. So, oh, I also primed my face. I used the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. Yeah, look like this. So, next what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be kind of doing this like a little bit differently. So, it is windy outside. I'm going to be using my favorite foundation. This is the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Macao. I was about to say Monaco. Nah, it's Macao, I believe. So I'm going to take a couple of pumps in the back of my hand. And I'm just going to, let me actually move my mirror this way. Cover up all my acne scars, my uneven skin tone, until all of that is healed properly. So let's get this shit on the road. How are you guys doing? Good? I hope so. I'm doing good. I actually have on a dress too, so I'm not, I have on clothes. This is actually like a, what do you call it? A bandeau dress? It's actually like a little cute bandeau dress from Pretty Little Thing. Super cute. I haven't cleaned under my brows yet, so that's why they look a little bit wild and unruly. Alright, next thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning up my brows. I'm going to be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealing Cream in Syrup. And I'm going to be using like a flat synthetic brush. So kind of like a concealer brush. It looks like this. I'm going to be dipping into the concealer, and then I'm going to clean up my brows. They look a little rough. Let's see. I don't want them to be too defined today. That's just not the mood I'm going for. I just want them to look clean, you know? I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M173. It's like a very fluffy, dense brush. We'll kind of just blend it in with my foundation. Make sure I have like no harsh lines or anything like that. Alright, so basically our base is done now. I'm going to be moving on to the eyeballs. I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. Oh, I hate when people do their pinkies like that. Why am I doing my pinky like that? I can't stand that. Ooh. How come you guys haven't told me about this? Wow. But yeah, I'm going to be taking this beautiful palette right here. So pretty. I'm going to be mixing these two. Do these have a name? No, I don't think so. So I'm going to be mixing these two. Just like that, like that. And I'm going to be putting that tone into my crease. So I really like the warm crease look. I know you guys probably like, what are you doing? It looks like your eyes are irritated, but watch. Just making sure everything is blended out properly. Next, I'm gonna be using this. Should I keep it basic or should I just pop that gold? I think I wanna keep it really clean. So I'm gonna be using this nude tone right here on my lid. Now what's going to make this look pop is going to be the eyelashes, of course. I just want to keep the eyes super simple. And the eyelashes will give you the drama that you're probably looking for right now. I'm going to prep my lashes because I'm not going to do like a really crazy liner. I'm going to be using the Essence Volume Stylist 8-Hour Lash Extension Mascara with lengthening fibers. I just like this as like an eyelash prep for eyelashes. Because for one, it's super inexpensive. I think this is probably like $2 at Ulta. And what I do is I always make sure I like, not open the mascaras all the way, but kind of twist it like this. And make sure you don't see like somebody pulled the wand out. Like I'm very like, look, ain't got time to play. Ain't got time to play. So let's add some drama lashes and then I'll get right back on here to talk to you guys, alright? The lashes are on. The lashes that I use are the Pur Eyelashes in Trendsetter. Let's pop those bad boys. They're still kind of drying, but let's go into concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I like a very bright under eye, so beware of what's about to happen. Alright? Okay. Okay, okay. Whew. Yeah. So I use the Shape Tape right there. Then I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. Like down the bridge of my nose. Sort of. Kind of, sort of. And then on top of my forehead like that. This is kind of like a peachy tone compared to the Tan Sand. And that's like way more of like a really high elevation. So, gonna take my beauty blender. And just blend out this concealer. Why does this feel like that? It's because I did not want this beauty blender. Oh my gosh, who does that? Me, apparently. Oh well. Make sure you wet your beauty blender and don't be like me and not wet it. Because I was like, why does this mess feel like that? It feels weird dry. And make sure you wet your beauty blender first. Make sure you use it damp to get the best results. Clearly, I was not thinking correctly. I'm really excited for this year. I look crazy right now. I'm just really, I don't know, something about it. It's not anything specific yet, but I don't know, something about this year that has me in a really good mood. Okay, I'm going to be taking my contour stick in Iconic London, and we're going to contour this forehead so we won't look like an egg. And contour those cheeks. Cause your girl is, she got chipmunk cheeks. Chipmunk cheeks or chipmunk cheeks? What the heck? I'm gonna be blending out this with, I believe this brush set is called My Brush Set. It's like a really affordable set of brushes, makeup brushes. And I believe this is the blush brush. I don't know, for some reason I just like the hairs on these brushes. And I think like the whole kit is like $20, $25. Ugh. Oh my god, that feels like so good right now. It's so weird. So I'll leave like everything down in the description box. I will leave everything down in the description box. Alright, we're gonna clean up our contour with the Rihanna Fenty Caramel Matchstick. This is my second one. I honestly love this stuff. I'm just cleaning it up to make sure the contour looks nice and neat. Right here, I'm gonna be taking the same brush and just blend it out. You can use your beauty blender or your makeup sponge, whatever you have. But sometimes I just like to go back and forth between sponges and makeup brushes. Just depends on how I feel. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, to set everything, I'm going to be using my Midnight Banana Powder. And I'm going to be using a flat blush brush. This is by MAC. This is the MAC 113 brush. 116 brush, actually. Just take a little bit of banana powder, and I'm just going to set the highlight with this powder. I keep going back and forth from this or from this powder to the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It really doesn't matter. I just kind of like just prefer sometimes to use a yellow tone powder when setting, because I feel like it just looks less harsh. Alright, so we're done with that. I'm going to set my contour with the MAC blush called Raizin. I love this blush. I'm going to be using a Sonia Kashuk contour brush. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on top of the contour for a little bit of color. This has been like my go-to powder to set my contour. I just like the warmthness of this shade. I think I want to add a little color on my lower lash line. I'm going to be using this brick brown tone right here. I'm just going to put that just right under here. I felt like the look was missing something, and that's what it was. I feel like that pulled it together. Have you guys been watching Black Mirror? Okay, so I love Black Mirror, but the one episode that tripped me out was Black Museum. For some reason, that was a really good episode. I really liked it, but it was trippy, like super duper trippy. I don't know, kind of like unsettling at the same time. Because of like, I'm not gonna spoil it, but God, what is going on? But if you get a chance to watch that on Netflix, watch it. Because I was like, what? I think I was doing my makeup at the time, so I was like glancing over. Okay, I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes just in case you guys didn't know what I was doing with this. I think you guys know what this is. Alright. I like it. It's super simple. I really like this. I'm going to set everything with, I'm not going to do a highlighter. I don't want to. I'm going to set everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter Finishing Spray. Okay, let me go run a flat iron through my hair really quick and then I'll be right back. Y'all didn't tell me I forgot to put a lip color on. Hold on. To apply lip liner. It doesn't even have a name on it. It's like a nude brown, whatever matches your lip color basically. I'm gonna just keep the lips really light. I'm gonna be using my J. Manual Mirage lipstick, just a little bit. Since my hair is already vibrant and bright, I'm not gonna do too much on the lips. I'm gonna be using my MAC lip gloss in Pur. yeah, that's about it. So I will leave everything down in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. So this was super quick, super easy. You guys can change the lip color if you would like. You can do like a darker color, or you can even do a red if you want to be that vibrant and bold. Yeah, so happy new year to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join the garden on today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.